Man, guys, today's Friday, and there's so much rain. I don't know how much we've gotten so far. I'm going to check my phone in a minute. And the grass isn't getting any shorter out there. So, I think I can't even see the vegetables down there because it's so high. Look at that. Man. And I think this is just the beginning still. You guys see the flooding down there. There's just so much rain.
We have had so much rain.
5 inches, maybe a little more, a little bit over 5 inches.
Just today.
Yeah, just today. So needless to say, that's why we're not working on a Friday.
Yeah.
And we will not be mowing until at least Monday because it's just way too wet to go on any lawns. It's pretty though. Look at that. So I guess tomorrow we're doing that fill job, and then we're going to do some more landscaping.
Oh wow, it's like all this. That's never a river. Water going over the road. And it now hasn't been raining, what, for like at least an hour or so now.
Yeah, wow. Look at that.
Wow.
That's like
Can
a
you guys see
river
that?
there.
Yeah, that's never. Oh my goodness, this is all overflown over. Is that right? Oh my goodness. Oh man, I bet you Biltmore is underwater. So good morning.
Good morning, boss.
Yeah, so we got an emergency alert yesterday, and I'm almost 100% positive it's our client's yard or road.
That was washed out. There's like 40 people, they said, stranded. So.
So I wanted to call her to make sure everything was okay, and we just seeded and aerated her a couple weeks ago, so I'm not sure. I mean, luckily she's up on a high hill, so
yeah,
she's probably safe, but I don't know if we're going to be able to get to her lawn anytime soon.
Yeah,
So
I think we got a total here of, last I checked, and we got more rain. It was 5.3 inches in like 17 hours.
yeah, a lot of rain, you guys.
I think for the month of April, we're up over 8 inches of rain, boss.
Yeah.
And we still got next week, I think I see 50-50 of rain.
So we are actually headed today to do a restore of a backyard. There are sunken areas.
From where they put the septic in 2 years ago or 3 years ago, it's settled.
Yeah, it's settled. So we are on our way to actually pick up equipment to make that easier. And then we are waiting on a call for the fill dirt to get delivered. And then I think our final will be driving back and forth and just applying topsoil on the top layers so that we can plant grass seed.
Yep.
We're not sure about mowing. We do have some clients that should be mowed, but with that amount of rain, I'm not sure we're going to be able to do them.
Yeah, it's so wet out, so that's all right. They're spread out for next week too. If we don't get much rain, I think we could manage me mowing and maybe the boss going out and doing some landscape.
Yeah, we still have our landscape jobs that are piling up.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're just going to do what we can and be very thankful that we have very understanding clients.
Yes. I mean, there's projects I want to finish this week, so we'll hope to get that done.
So, all right. Well, I think we're going to hit the car wash first because
we pay monthly for that, and I want to get a good use of it.
Yeah. And it just needs to have all that stuff sitting, you know, clay and whatever sitting on the truck is not good for the paint. So, all right, let's go. I don't think you guys can see that, but here we are at our favorite rental place. This is Rental on Hendersonville Road in Asheville. They're awesome here. We are hooking up a trailer. and gonna get the machine. This is not supposed to be a river, a lake. That's a cornfield normally, and
right next to it. It's really flooded.
it's crazy. It's flooded that much.
We have 5 yards of fill dirt and we have 4 yards of topsoil. We are, see where it's settled right here? We're gonna fill this in right here up to the brim here so he can ride over it with the lawnmower. And then you have these little gullies here. Mainly this gully here, we're gonna try to fill in and level out. And then you have another little low spot here. We're gonna try to fill in some. What's up?
All right, I'm gonna leave you with the checkbook so you can pay the fill dirt guy.
You're leaving me?
And I need the debit card so I can get topsoil.
There you go.
Thank you.
Even exchange. This little machine ain't too bad to run. Now I don't know if 5 yards of soil is gonna be enough. I mean, I got up by the septic field. If you guys can see, I'm gonna dump a couple more piles there. There's a low spot there, we'll rake it. Maybe I'll go bring some soil from my house here since we have extra. So, we'll see. You gonna use this thing?
Yeah. It
Okay.
feels weird though.
Really, really easy. So you start it up.
It's
Okay. Look.
the throttle.
Yeah, the throttle. Push the throttle all the way up. Pull that up. Okay, so that goes up, right? And then down goes down, up goes up, over. And then this moves it back, forward, and you want to go back and that way, turn it right. You got it. This is the first time the boss ever used this machine. Oh, I almost slipped in the mud. Now lift it up. Okay, I'm gonna start raking this out. I'll get some more of the boss in action in a little bit. I'm gonna rake this around there. dump the topsoil above and rake it down, but I want her to drive over that with the machine. So, right there. She learned that pretty quick, that machine. The only problem is we didn't have the topsoil delivered. So, and this is expensive topsoil. We didn't have that delivered because we just, I don't know, we didn't know what was gonna happen with this. So she'll scoop it off and then she'll go get another yard and a half. It's a lot of wait for old Trusty, but eventually we'll get a dump trailer. That's what we need. But the boss is liking this machine here. We still have to move this, but this is where the boss has been dumping the topsoil. So we'll rake that out, level that area out, and go from there.
So much water. Look all the way over here. So this is just a little tiny
stream,
yeah, that is right.
Like if you look,
see this bridge right here?
If you look at all the trees, they're underwater.
That's just usually a little tiny stream.
And it bleeds out into Lake Sod Lake, I call it over here.
Sod Lake.
Because it's always underwater. But they grow sod on it still.
Not until the drier times.
On normal seasons. Usually it only floods to the sprinklers usually, right?
Yeah.
This time it's all the way past the sprinklers.
Yeah, it's like really...
I guess that's probably about 30, 40 acres and only about 5 acres of it is good still.
It's crazy. That machine.
Oh yeah? Was that before or after you ripped the light off the truck? I didn't get that on video, guys, the left thing. Now we're gonna need tape because she turned out and hit my light here.
I don't know. I have a thing.
It's broken there now.
So how do we fix it?
A new light assembly.
Oh, geez, Louise.
$350.
No, we can get this one cheaper.
No, we're just gonna put a piece of tape there.
Oh my gosh!
inside.
What is wrong with
Old
you?
Trusty, man, you just destroyed Old Trusty.
I'm sorry, Old Trusty. I didn't do this. I only did this.
I can't complain. I put dents in the side, so.
It just, what did it do? Snag the side.
Yeah, you have your tooth on there. You turned out. You
I'm sorry.
backed right out.
Man, I have a thing with like back, rear.
Okay, so that's the reason the black cat ran in front of me today. Hopefully that's the only.
Hopefully that's the only reason.
So, okay, you're gonna go get another load?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get more. What did you do, bury a stick?
No, you buried a stick.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna mess around with this back.
I have the debit card, or you do? Thank you.
Okay.
Have fun.
it's gonna rain for the next 4 hours. I thought we were done with the rain after getting 6 inches yesterday. So we'll see how much we get out of this. Probably only like a 1/4 inch, which would be good, but we're not done that project. It looks like we're not going to mow them today, this afternoon, so we'll put it all off until Friday. I mean until Monday. I gotta blow this off. I gotta fix this little mess here. Rake out some more of these piles. Then I'm gonna seed everything. Throw some seed down. Now we didn't have enough soil to go all the way down. This was probably about 6 yards of, or 5 yards of fill dirt. And then topsoil, 4 yards of topsoil. So I'll finish raking this down. We gotta overseed heavily everything, put a starter fertilizer down. Now this is the first time we've ever used one of the machines, rented it, did all that thing, so. We are done, guys. That took longer than sorry about that. That took longer than I expected. So, like I said earlier, we underestimated this. It's the first time we ever did a job like this. So, next time we know to be on point. But you live and learn, guys. What we got?
I know.
We didn't have the cops called on us this time.
No.
But you guys seen the boss got to use a new, not new, that was the first time ever she used one of them.
Yeah.
Or me, so we learned today.
Yeah.
You did a good job.
Yeah, it was, once you got the hang of it, it's just remembering which way to do the handle. It's the same thing as like the excavator, but
yeah,
so it was interesting.
Now
we'll get to use it tomorrow at our house.
Yeah, you want to buy one?
Yeah.
Eventually we do.
It would be nice to just have our own for sure. So please like, comment, and subscribe.
And remember, guys, be happy.
Or at least try.
Thanks
have a
for
good
watching.
night.